Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sonesta Select San Ramon. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking and a bar. Sonesta Select San Ramon. This hotel features rooms with free Wi-Fi and offers an outdoor pool and an on-site cafe. Services include guest launderette and dry cleaning. Hacienda Business Park is 10 minutes drive away. Sonesta Select San Ramon has air-conditioned rooms fitted with a microwave and a tea-coffee maker. In-room media includes cable TV. At Sonesta Select San Ramon, guests can work out in the fitness room. The surrounding area provides hiking opportunities. The Commons at Sonesta Select is conveniently located on-site, offering a variety of breakfast and dinner options, an evening bar and specialty beverages made with Starbucks coffee. Sonesta Select San Ramon is 7 miles away from Stoneridge Mall. Waterworld USA is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.